Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add customer reviews to your Shopify store. This helps showcase feedback from satisfied customers. So let's get started. First, install a review app. Before you do so, just go to your web browser and in the search bar type in shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Now, after logging in, go to the Shopify store and search for product reviews by Shopify and click add app. You can search here, click product review and search in the app store. There are many apps that you can review your products with. I'll just choose this one, judge.me. Now, if you haven't already installed it, it will be a download an install button here. Click on it and follow the prompts. Follow the steps to install the app on your phone.